Hi class, it's your teacher Miss Andrews for the day. Before we dive into our lesson, let's do a review of what Miss Wilson Thomas taught you on night uses of heat energy. Do you remember two ways heat energy is used at night? Good, good. To heat our food and to boil water to make our tea. Let me see the hands of those who make tea and drink it at night. Ah, okay. Do you remember three human-made devices you identified in last class that provide heat energy at night? Very good job. A television, a blow dryer, and a fan. And do you remember what the term is when heat is made and we do not want it? Good. Wasted heat. No, wasted heat is when energy is produced but not used. And finally, do you remember some devices that give off wasted heat? Good, good. A laptop, a stove, and an iron. Now I have a poem for you. Shining bright. I want you to listen very carefully. In the morning, the sun will rise, painting gold across the skies. It warms the earth, helps plants grow, bringing life with its bright glow. At night, the stars shine, guiding our dreams so bright and fine. Let's cherish the sun and the stars, for they light our world no matter where we are. Now, after listening to my poem, do you have an idea of what today's lesson is going to be about? If you said light, you are correct. Today's lesson is about natural sources of light energy. Your objectives are 1. Explain how light is a form of energy in your own words. 2. List at least 3 natural objects that emit light. And 3. State at least 4 ways natural sources of light are used in everyday activities. Now, what is light? Hmm. Light is a special kind of energy that helps us to see things around us. Let's repeat that again. Light is a special kind of energy that helps us to see things around us. Yes. So, light travels in waves, kind of like waves in the ocean. These waves move very fast and can go through air and even space. Mhm. The sun. The sun is the main provider of light on Earth. The sun makes light because it is super hot. The light travels through space and reaches our planet. So when the sunlight comes to Earth, it brightens everything around us. Yes. And light travels in straight lines. Imagine a beam of light shining from a flashlight. It goes straight out from the flashlight. Can you describe how light is a form of energy in your own words now? Let's break it down. So, we know that light is energy that helps us see the world around us. Yes. Now let's look at natural sources of light. When you hear the word natural, what comes to your mind? Nature, man-made. Okay, let's see if you are correct. Natural sources of light are things that happen in nature and make light. Natural sources of light are things that happen in nature and make light. Can you think of any examples of natural sources of light? Okay, let's see. The sun. So, you've already established that the sun is the main provider of light on Earth. So, it is a natural source of light energy. Yes. The stars. Did you guess the stars? Okay. Stars are like giant balls of fire in the sky. In the center of a star, something called nuclear fusion happens and a lot of energy is released. This energy travels out from the center of the star and makes it shine. Did you know that? Okay, let's see. Lightning. Did you guess lightning as a natural source? Good job. So lightning is a powerful flash of light that happens or usually happens during a storm. Let me see the hands of those who have seen lightning before. Oh, so you guys were frightened? Oh, okay. Now, let's see. Fireflies. Did you know that fireflies make light? Has any one of you ever seen a firefly? Okay, so fireflies are special insects that can make their own light. And finally, let's see if any one of you guessed this. Jellyfish. Yes, jellyfishes are amazing creatures that can glow in the dark. But not all jellyfishes glow in the dark. Not all of them emit light. Can you think of any more examples? No? Okay, that is fine. That will be your homework. Now, do you know of any way that natural sources of light is used in everyday activities? Here is a picture. What do you think this picture is showing? Yes, a sun and a house, but what do you think is happening here? Good. So the sun is shining brightly during the day, and its light is going into the house, brightening all the rooms in the house without the use of a light bulb or a lamp. Good. And here we see the sun and a plant. What do you think is the process happening here? I'm hearing photosynthesis. Okay, that is very good. So we all know that plants need sunlight to grow, to make their food. Very good job. And here we have children riding their bicycles and having fun during the day when the sun is shining. Yes. And here we have a sailor. Do any one of you know what is happening here? No? Okay, that is fine. So sailors navigate the seas by using the sun and stars to know which way to go. Yes. And here we have concluded our lesson for today. And so today we learned that light is a form of energy. We identified sources of light, natural sources of light, and we explored ways in which the light is used in everyday activities. Let us see how much you remember from today's lesson. Please scan the QR code for a matching game. Bye!